Green hydrogen production and competitiveness in Latvia, Baltics. Challenge, developed in collaboration with company Electrify. Transportation and electricity production sectors generates one of the largest shares of greenhouse gas emissions, hence significantly contributing to the climate change. In order to decarbonize our electricity and transportation sector, we must use renewable sources. But concern is that we cannot electrify everything, which is why using hydrogen for transport system has become an important topic. Major players in industry see hydrogen playing a vital role in achieving deep decarbonization of the energy system. But it is important to consider green hydrogen, which is produced with renewable energy to derive the hydrogen. Simply put, green hydrogen uses fuel that is created using renewable energy instead of fossil fuels. Otherwise, hydrogen is not an environmentally friendly source. The problem is that in Latvia and Baltics there is a lower intensity of sun and lower wind power than in other countries. The challenge would require to look into ways how to make green hydrogen competitive in Latvia and Baltics, finding efficient ways how to produce and apply it so it stays cost-effective and sustainable. Company Electrify in Latvia is working on research and pilot projects launching minibuses in cities that are running on hydrogen, but this is still an emerging field to explore many more potential solutions of green hydrogen competitive production and application.